Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel, Fively Electrical Services Inc. So what I'm doing right now is I'm running that last 3/4 pipe for the generator. It's basically the generator controls. So I'm inside the garage, and this is where I have to go with my pipe to link it on the outside of the house, so I can have those cables to pull in once I'm ready. And also these are all my security wires that are going through the ceiling in the garage. I have some more wires here also, all strapped down, as you can see. Cables are always neatly strapped. This cable is not mine, but I will strap that up. Okay. This is basically, I'm on the top of the scaffold. Working from the top of the scaffold. This set of cables here, these are for my receptacle inside the garage. These are the cables for my 3-way wires. One that's going to be controlling inside the garage entrance, and the other one that's going to go down into the basement for the elevator control, to control from the elevator. These are my wires, they're all neatly strapped. These set of wires are going to the outside for the outside lights. And this cable here is basically my return for my lights inside of the garage. Set of wires here are basically going outside for the outside lights. There's going to be 3 outside lights that I have in total above the garage door. And this here is my last set of lights. If you see, I have these staples are basically called S1. You're only allowed to use 1 per cable. And as you go down, I have another S2, which I can use 2 cables per clip. And that's it for inside of the, also I have 1 receptacle and another receptacle. There's 2 receptacles inside of here for the garage door opener. Please like, share, and subscribe to my videos. Thank you.